Welcome to this tutorial, in which you will learn to create a partial mock of your API using Mockoon and its proxy mode. Using the proxy mode, Mockoon will serve all the API endpoints you define while forwarding anything else to the URL of your choice. Let's dive through this with a simple example. For this tutorial, we will forward all the calls to a Star Wars API available at swappy.dev/API. And create a new route to return information about a missing movie character. To enable the proxy mode, open the environment proxy settings by clicking on the proxy tab at the top of the window. Then, enable the proxy by checking the box and add the Star Wars API URL to which Mockoon will forward the requests. After enabling the proxy mode and adding the correct target URL, you need to add the missing API endpoints. The Star Wars API contains information about 83 characters. The maximum character ID we can retrieve is 83 on the /people/ID route. Calling /people/84 with the get method would return a 404 error. Let's add a new character with ID 84. To configure this missing endpoint, click on the blue plus button at the top of the endpoints list and select HTTP route. Then, set the path to /people/84 and copy-paste the JSON body provided in the video description, or any JSON of your choice. You are now ready to use your partial mock. Start the API by clicking on the green play icon at the top of the window. You can now make a call to an existing endpoint of the Star Wars API, like get /people/83, and get the expected character description from the API, forwarded by Mockoon. You can also call your custom endpoint /people/84 with the get method and see that Mockoon intercepted your call and returned the body you defined in your new route. Finally, you can check the different calls that have been made to Mockoon by clicking on the Logs tab. You will see that the forwarded calls have a blue shield icon next to them, while the requests caught by Mockoon's routes have a green tick icon.